Hi, I'm Roadshow Chris. I do headliners, auto interior, glass, and sunroof repair. I'm making this video because a lot of people ask me, okay, my headliner's falling, can we fix it or do we have to replace the whole thing? All right, the answer is you have to replace the material. So for example, on this board, you can see in the back here, over the rear, where the biggest curvature is, that's where the material is let go. There is no way to repair that, not at all. Because, excuse me, what's happening, if you look here, this material doesn't have any foam backing. The foam is here on the board, all right? Now, obviously, we can reuse the board. The board's solid, it's the base, but it's the upholstery that's on it that has to be replaced, because you need that foam backing so when you spray the glue on it, it doesn't seep through the material. So you have to remove the board out of the car. In this case, this vehicle, we had to remove it through the windshield. Keep in mind, all cars are built by putting the headliner board in through the windshield. There are some that I can cheat, kind of saying, get it out the door, remove seats, do things like that. But many cars, especially your newer vehicles, newer than 2010, they're windshield cars. You have to remove the windshield in order to get the board out. Now at this point, I'm gonna remove the material. I'm gonna chemical scrub this board. Some use sand and do wire wheeling. The Europeans, though, and the imports, most of the time, you're doing a chemical scrub, and that's what I'm gonna do. It's very important that you do that. If you don't do that, the job won't last. You might get a year if you're lucky, and then what's going to happen is it's going to start letting go. They use a different glue on the other side of the world than we use in the United States. That residue must be removed. Then it goes even further. There's different thicknesses of headliner material. It takes a lot higher skill to lay down the thinner material, which is what you're going to find in all your European Mercedes, Land Rover, Porsche, Jaguar. All those are going to have thin material. You want to size up a headliner guy? Ask him what thickness of material he's using in your import. Okay, if he starts talking like Porky Pig because he doesn't know how to lay down 1/8 inch, that's not your guy. It takes a lot of skill to lay down 1/8 inch, and that's what's going to give your car the look. And if you don't, most of the European cars like this, you can see they have a sunroof. You're going to strain the sunroof motor. It was not designed for 1/4 inch or 3/16. It was designed for 1/8 inch. So we're going to chemical prep the board. That's going to give us good adhesion. It's going to allow us to get a smooth outcome of the thin material, because you can't put thin material over an unfinished board. So when you're doing a headliner, you have upholstery skills, preparation skills, disassembly, reassembly skills. This is a lot of stuff going on. So anyway, just wanted to give you a brief little, video on what's involved. Feel free to contact me with any further questions, and thank you for watching Roadshow Chris.